I'm Dave Sampson and I run Justice for Us. I've tried to achieve justice for my family and other people against corruption in the justice system. I decided to bring action against members of Warwickshire's Police Authority for allowing police officers in Warwickshire to damage my good name and reputation. Under the Human Rights Act, Article 12, an ordinary member of the public has the right, if they give their word of honour, to be assumed to be telling the truth. Following an incident at my home in October 2002, I had been called a liar by police officers who were covering up the fact that a number of other police officers were involved in dodgy business. My family were terrified when two men who were being investigated by the police came to our home at 2 o'clock in the morning. Before I reached the front door to see what was happening, my car had already been badly damaged. When I stood in the doorway, I watched as one of these men threw a concrete boulder through the rear windscreen of my car. These men then threatened me and my family that they were going to kill us. Shortly before the police arrived, they ran away, and we gave evidence to PC Donna Newsom of Rugby Police for a charge of trying to pervert the course of justice by intimidating a witness. Because somebody switched the charges, and that is what PC Donna Newsom told me, the men never got brought to trial. We have since found out this was due to corrupt practices within the police authority. On September the 8th last year, the Chief Executive of Warwickshire Police Authority, Eric Wood, and Detective Superintendent Samuel came to my home brandishing a deal that I should remove items from the Justice for Us website which they deemed to be libelous. Libel being something where you say something about somebody that is not true. I can assure you everything I had put on that website was the truth, and so therefore not libelous. However, they came to my home brandishing a deal on behalf of Philip Blundell, the chairman of Warwickshire Police Authority. I was told that either I did as I was told, or my family would have to pay £2,000 plus court cost to Philip Blundell. When you're being blackmailed, I've watched it on the television, it's always best to do as your blackmailer tells you. So I agreed to remove items from the website and YouTube. In April last year, I had tried to take a civil court action out against Mr. Blundell. I believe it's perfectly legal to use a small claims court to make a case for damages. However, before the case came to court, I was arrested. It was claimed that I was harassing Mr. Blundell, and I was taken to Rugby Police Station. I asked to see a solicitor, but this request was denied me. Instead, I was introduced to a doctor who said anybody that took legal action against Philip Blundell was sectionable, and the next thing I knew I ended up in the hospital where they claimed I had to be mentally ill in order to do this sort of thing. I asked to see a solicitor. I was told the telephone is over there, fine one. It took me 3 months to contact a suitable solicitor, and she got me released from the hospital shortly afterwards.